Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to post a long video on Instagram story using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app. And then now just go ahead and swipe your finger from left to right so that you can now choose the video that you want to add on your Instagram story. Okay, so for example, I'm just gonna choose this 1 minute and 46 long seconds of video. Okay, so now when you choose a longer video, you should split the video into several parts, okay? Because that is the only option that you can do it. So after you post this part of the video, just go ahead and post the second part of the video so that your followers can see the complete video of your story, okay? Because unlike the reel here on Instagram, there's a duration that you can choose on how longer you want your video is. So let's just go ahead and check on it. So here, as you can see at the left side of the reel, you can see the length option. Okay, so that means the duration of your video. So that's it. That is how you post a long video and Instagram story. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.